Hi guys, we are now at the Starmine Suspension Bridge. Yan, Drumheller. It's open! Yoo-hoo! You're lucky it's open. There. Wow. Uy! It's moving! Kata-cute. Ayan siya, puro ice. Yan. That's how they put, is it? Ooh. I can't hold on the side because it's ganda. Madaling mag-ano. It's moving, love. You need to wait for me. Ice. Yan, how deep is that? Oh, not that deep, but of course. You can't see it kasi puro ice. You know? Gandara ulit. It's Gandara. Why there's a lot of lack here? Is this a wishing bridge? They said it's closed, but why is it open? Love, it says there it's closed, but why is it open there? They forgot to remove that or what? Oh. Where we are not heavy. It's okay. I didn't hear the snow. I hear the bridge is moving and there's a sound. Ganda, no? Nakakatakot lang kasi bakit hindi nila inalis yung pangalan na close doon? Hindi namin alam kung may problema ba ang bridge.